Hey, have you ever heard about ozone treatment for pain relief? Stick with me for a few minutes and I'll let you know everything about it. Hey, hello YouTube, how are you? I really hope you're good. Dr. Romulo Costa here from Ozone Center, Scotland. And in today's video, I'll let you know how ozone works in order to get rid of pain. But before starting, I want to ask you, subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to click the bell to receive all the notifications of new contents. And don't forget to click the like button, it's very important for us. And if it's important for you and for your friends and family, share this content, leave us a comment. Ozone therapy is one of oxygen-based treatments. It means that we use oxygen as a base to develop the treatment. In other words, it means that ozone therapy is nothing but turning oxygen molecules into ozone molecules and injecting it into the bloodstream to treat diseases. We can treat over 268 diseases using ozone therapy. So now let's talk about pain. Pain is one of the most common symptoms to every disease. And this pain can be caused by a malfunction of a system. And something common to all systems in the organism is the oxygen. Oxygen is the base of the powerhouse for every system in the organism. Without oxygen supply, all systems can get into failures and show diseases. So we can state that an organ or a system in lack of oxygen is going to turn sick and consequently get into pain. So why to use ozone instead of oxygen? The oxygen molecule is made by 2 atoms of oxygen. However, the ozone molecule is made by 3 atoms of oxygen. And this third bond of oxygen in the molecule is totally unstable. It means that once in your bloodstream, this ozone molecule is going to turn stable by getting rid of one of these atoms of oxygen. This oxygen is going to deliver a large amount of energy, and this energy is used to stabilize the immune system. Ozone therapy can be applied in 2 different ways, through the bloodstream or directly to the affected site. There are 3 different ways to apply ozone therapy into the bloodstream. One of them is using an intravenous infusion. This way uses a special device to mix a small concentration of ozone to the patient's blood outside of the body, around 500 milliliters. Another way to apply ozone therapy to the bloodstream is autohemotherapy that uses 5 milliliters of blood into a syringe to reach the moisture, and once it's done, it's reapplied into the bloodstream by a muscle weight. And finally, the third option is via rectal, using a small probe into the anus. The bloodstream applications are more recommended for systemic diseases like fibromyalgia, rheumatoid arthritis, or lupus. Ozone therapy can as well be used directly to the affected site. For these cases, the most common application is through injections. Injections can be in 3 different levels: superficial, intermediate, and deeper. The applications can be superficial for skin diseases, for example, or even intermediate, for example, for ligaments and tendons diseases, muscular applications, or even for deeper problems like intra-articular diseases like disc herniations, knee osteoarthritis, or avascular femoral necrosis. Finally, how ozone will interact with your organism in order to get rid of pain. Basically, what ozone does is to deliver 6 times more energy to your organism than oxygen does. Once in the bloodstream or directly to the affected site, ozone is able to interact with your blood cells, and it makes all the difference in how the organism is facing the problem. In the top of it, ozone is going to stimulate your body to produce way more substances to heal your body. Let's give you an example. Let's say someone suffers from a degenerative problem like a shoulder tendonitis. And in an average treatment, it's going to take over to 8 to 9 months to recover all the functions and get rid of pain. Using ozone therapy, it's going to take around 5 to 6 weeks. Of course, it's impossible to summarize all the benefits of ozone treatment in this short video. That's it for today. I really hope this video was useful for you. So share with your friends, leave your comments, and see you next video.